Okay, now in this video we will learn that how this member will receive notifications. There are two options. First is an automatic that the system will send, and the second is a manual. First is automatic. Automatic systems send when the interval is reached. Interval is coming from a meeting that you sorry, when you were going to generate a meetings. Okay, at that moment you had set the interval for collecting data from the reporting users. Okay, so the interval, let's say it was of 15 days before of the meeting. That means that let's say we have a meeting on 20 November, and the system will automatically send on 5th November all the notifications to these members to fill up the information. And the second thing is to send a manual notifications. Okay, to do that you have to click on this message icon, and then you have to type any message that you want to send him with, just like just a notifier. Okay, after that you have to click on send button, and the system will send him a notifications just like that. Aureto system report data collection, and Aureto system is your help to complete report for a meeting. Please click on the link below to confirm to continue. So you have to click on the link here, and the system will go lead you to the public screen. This is the public screen that we were talking about from the start. Public screen, you see that when we had clicked on it, the system doesn't ask any logins or sign up or any process, so he knows that who you are and all that stuff. So you just land it to your screen where you will just fill up the information, and then you are gone. So here on the top you will see complete meeting information. Okay, like subject of that, type of the meeting, okay, date, time, language, and the person in charge name. This is the, you will see all the list here below, all the list of the forms. Maybe you have to fill up 5 to 10 forms, maybe you have to fill up a table also, something like that happens. So in that case what will happen, you will see always a collapser like that. Let me show you an example. Let's say let's change this person to my email again, so that we have that that I will fill up these two form and table, two things. So now when I refresh it, or when I will again, so I will see two things now, form and a table. So let's fill up this information. Form, okay, email. I will put up some email. Okay, first name, let's say Oscar, and then submit it. Your form is submitted now. You see the status here automatically. Collapse it, go to the next one. Okay, now you see there is always a table. You will always, in the start you will always see an empty thing here. So what you have to do is always delete it. Okay, so that your table is clear. Okay, dummy was always added so that you can see something in a preview here. Okay, so you have to clean it here, so that that information should be removed from there. Okay, let's say for attendance of the managers, let's say Marcel, and then Sean's, and then an email address, let's say ms112 gmail.com. Okay, submit it. Now your data is there. Okay, let's add more. Okay, another. I'm just adding it to tell you something, that how data will look like in this form. Okay, so I'm just putting some dummy data. Okay, let's say another email, other at the gmail.com. Submit. So you have to do like this. Submit changes. Okay, now your that table data is also submitted. Okay, let's say let's refresh it to see the data, dated data here. Okay, now you see all of data information is gone here. This meeting was managed by Oscar. Okay, first name this, last name email, Marcel shows that all the table data is now. This is the real report that it will look like. Okay, let's say we see, okay, there is a mistake here. Okay, let's correct it. We say, okay, this shouldn't be Marcel 1. Okay, this should be a Marcel only. Okay, let's do that. What you will do is, okay, who had filled up this information? We know that this person has done it. So you have to click here, send him a notification. He will automatically again lead, the system will automatically again lead him to this screen. So you just have to refresh it and all of his data will automatically be there. Okay, just like that. So he has to just to click on the edit. Okay, update, submit, update it here, save changes, table data submitted, refresh the main screen, and you will see the data is updated here in the report. This is the real report. Okay. Now the next thing is to send this report to the fund manager, because according to us, okay, this report is ready, and now we need this fund manager to review that. Okay, we will talk about this review in the next video.